What is the name of this stuffing box? Mechanical stuffing box. And you can fix the drips of water in this type of stuffing box with the boat on the water?
Yes.
You can, no?
Yes.
What is the recommendation when you have a leak in a typical stuffing box like this? Number one, prepare tools. Prepare a couple of bilge pumps. And work minimum 2 people. Prepare flashlights, good light, because you need light, and good tools to remove the old seal. And buy the new seal. The diameter of this is according with what? According with the diameter of the shaft.
Right.
If you enter in internet, you see, oh, I have a shaft 1.5. The recommendation is 3/8. It's 1 3/4, is 5/16. Yeah, it's different thickness depending of the diameter of the shaft. There are 2 types of materials. What is the name of this element?
Seal. A seal.
Seal package. Seal package. This one is impregnated with a fat, animal fat, or you can order the same impregnated with graphite. Graphite is what? Carbon, no carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is different. Is carbon fiber is fibers of carbon covered with resin. That's different. Carbon is the pencil. Is graphite. But also with the carbon you have a diamond. It's incredible, no? Carbon, depending how is organized the structure, is the hardest surface or is a good lubricant. And today we are going to talk about other function of a graphite. Okay, you prepare and you pre-cut it. How many rings? 3. Exactly the diameter of this. You prepare 3 of those, and you are ready. When you separate the nut is moved here, the water enters, the bilge pumps are working, the lights are on, and you are ready to remove the old seal. And you introduce the new ones too fast. And you start to tie until
Water.
you need move the shaft. Okay, my shaft is moving. Suddenly, with the pipe wrench, you tie too much and it's impossible to move it. You need to return a little and verify that you don't have leaks. That's it. See trail, return, check again, tight a little. Next day, check again. It's okay, finito. That's the process. It's not complicated. A lot of boats use this system. I love it because it's simple to repair. Okay, the other one is this.
Bellows.
The name of this is a bellows. And internally in this box, we have this type of seal. We have internally here, we have this type of hydraulic seal. You see this seal, guys? How that seal operates?
One side is a dry side, and the wet side keeps the water out.
One side is dry, and other side is wet, with lips. You see the lips here? When the fluid enter here, expand the lips, and you don't have leaks. We have millions of those seals in the boat. Give me one of those or 2 of those famous in your car, in your boat.
You have the transmission seal.
Or crankshaft seals on the engine.